This video will show you how to post other charges for point of sale in a reservation. Hotelogix lets you post charges for service availed from point of sale as other charges. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you wish to post a charge. Click Payments from the context menu that shows up. You are taken to the payment page of the reservation. To add a charge for point of sale, click Other Charges, Add. Other Charges panel opens up. Select the guest name. Select Point of Sale from the drop-down menu. Note, the product list gets updated as per the point of sale selected. Select the product that is to be charged. The price is updated as per the predefined product list. Edit the product quantity as required. You may offer discount in percentage or amount as needed. Note that the amount gets updated automatically. Click Save. Click the discount and charge is updated in the account statement save. This brings us to the end of the video on how to post other charges